Okay, so she's had a Jap speed manifold on it. As you can see, mated up to a possibly a Jap speed system. M2 system. And as you can see, there she is, all lovely, lovely. The ramp's coming down on me. Thanks, Richard. Health and safety in the workplace. Right. I will hurry up. So there we go. So that's a Jap speed manifold on, cat off. Cat's been sold to a colleague of ours. And now it's ready for map, Ecutek map on the dyno. So looking forward to it. Oh, it's got some modifications. Let's get on with it. Yeah, Jason, you enjoy that?
Hello, Daniel.
It's a bit warm, isn't it, today?
Too hot.
Some would say.
It's hot.
It's
maybe
hot.
Too hot.
Maybe too hot.
Bloody boiling.
Bloody boiling. Okay, so preliminary power run and make sure everything's okay. Bit of a shakedown, and then we'll move over to the Ecutek software. But in first instance, let's see what she's making. Make sure she's healthy. The Ecutek base file is on. Richard's currently fine-tuning as we're going. How are you, Richard? Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
Is there such a thing?
Every Monday's a happy Monday as long as I get to see you, Rich.
That's probably one of the gayest things you've ever said to me.
Mate, love between two men there's nothing to be
Is it
ashamed
acceptable
of.
nowadays? It is acceptable.
It's acceptable.
Yeah.
There's nothing to be ashamed of. We're life partners now. We've been together 11 years.
No, that's true.
Yeah, we're like an old married couple. I can finish your sentences for you.
I'll never forget that day I had you in the shop.
That's a story for another time.
No,
Let's not tell them about that.
That was a good story.
People want to know what the story about you having me in the shop is now. Yeah, that's another video entirely. Anyway, how you getting on, brother?
All right, I'm waiting for you to shout some numbers out.
6, 5,
4,
12,
16.
2 little ducks.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go do that. Let's go. Okay, launch control works, which has adjusted it. here's another one in the bag. Another K20 FN2 Civic mapped on the Ecutek software. Some mods, obviously, like I said at the beginning. Got TSS induction kit. Was it TTS? I can't remember. But now we've got a Jap speed manifold going to an M2 system. And it sounds great. And we've made 30 brake horsepower in the mid-range, just for mapping. And we've finished today on about 216 brake horsepower. And it came in on 207, 208. So we've made power right across the rev range. I'm gonna show you. So here we go, as per usual. Red line is as it came in. We've extended the rev range to 8.6. We've lowered VTEC slightly, and we've got that gain in the mid range. And we finish on 216, which is 185 at the wheel. So well done, Richard. Are you happy with that?
I think so.
It's a good one for a Monday, isn't it, mate? It's a bloody warm day as well, ain't it?
It's muggy today.
It's muggy. You mug me off. You mag. Oh, you mag. Yeah. So, yeah, brilliant. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video and checking on the results. And we will see you on the next one, won't we, Richard?
You will indeed.
Yes.
Yeah, well, they've got more off, but I can't justify it.
Life moves pretty fast.